Pra quê?
Salam aleikum.
Aleyküm selam.
Kanka bu arada sağlık kaybolsun. Yüzden yerden
Girl, when school got out and I was too scared to tell her how I loved her still. Well, I loved her still, I loved her still, I loved her still. Well, we grew up and we both moved out. We went to different schools in different towns. And is it too late to tell you now I love you still? Well, I love you still, I love you still, I love you still. Mistakes I made when I was younger, and it's too late to discover. At the end of the summer, at the end of the summer, times that I wonder, is it too late to discover?
Pra quem, Zé?
At the end of the summer, Well, I think back every now and then so I can sit back and just pretend that when you call me I will tell you how I feel. And I never will.